Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to Market Money Finance. This is your stock market watch list for August 13th, 2020. And Fortnite is no longer in the App Store. First things first, I am an amateur investor. That means all information found here, any views, predictions, stock picks, that's all for entertainment or educational purposes only and should not be construed as personal investment advice. Okay, the only recommendation that I have for you all is to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Not only does it really help us out here, but it helps get this information to those who are looking for it. So Apple did remove Fortnite today from the App Store. This was after they had a disagreement with Epic Games because Epic Games installed an update which allowed its users to make in-app purchases that would bypass the Apple payment system. And this violated the terms of agreement that Apple and Epic Games had. Epic Games has already since responded with a lawsuit. All right, like get the lawyers, like lawyer up. Let's start the suing. Now, Fortnite is still on the Google Play Store, on the App Store as of now. We will see what happens tomorrow because this change that they did within the app is something that bypasses both the Apple payment system and the Google paying system. So theoretically, it's something that's cutting revenue down from both Apple and Google. And therefore, if you're no longer making the money, what's the point of doing business with them? So I can't really tell you how this is going to affect Apple's stock tomorrow or in the future. But what I can tell you is we did hit all-time highs today. And that is something that you love to see. Let's go. Shout out to the long term. So yeah, we did hit all-time highs today, as you can see here. It's beautiful. We did slowly come down after. We did close above open though, which is great to see on an all-time high day. We also got news today that Viacom and Apple will be teaming up. So we did have about a 2% spike here in Viacom. And this was due to a report that Apple will launch CBS Showtime videos as a bundle with Apple TV Plus. So looking at the weekly for Viacom, looks like this 27 mark right here is going to be what's important for us tomorrow. If we can open above 27, maybe go 27.10, 27.15 and hold that. We'll see how much Apple can really carry this, because that's all it is it's hopes of Apple and how much growth Apple is going to help CBS Viacom. Now, Purple did have their earnings today after hours. The revenue was $165 million, but they took a loss this quarter of $5.82 million. So they did drop. They also took a loss of 11 cents per share. That's what that is right here. Now we're looking at Baidu here. They did have earnings today. They beat expectations by 6.5%. But then if you look at the revenue side, their sales were down 3.9%. Yeah, so Baidu had beat their earnings, had a decline in sales, and now decline in revenue. And now their stock is down 5.6%. We have DraftKings, who have their earnings report in the morning. I'm very excited for this one. I think DraftKings high is 45 or something, but I did pick up some call contracts. I picked up August 21st, $50 strike price. I got 4 of them for 15 cents, so I spent $60 on that play. Yeah, but that pretty much just sums up everything I have for you. Is just Apple removing Fortnite from the App Store, and then Epic Games responding with their lawsuit. So we're gonna see how that plays out, especially with Google as well. Gonna keeping an eye on Tesla. That rose again today. I love Tesla. Someone buy me a Model X. And then DraftKings. I want to see a big earnings from them. I mean, like, it'd be crazy, but like, hey, if we could get a 50% move. Again, that's all that I do have for you today. Thank you so much for coming by. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. All right, limit your risk, protect your cash, and I will see you all tomorrow.